In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Monday.com. If you're looking to organize your projects more effectively and enhance your workflow in Monday.com, understanding how to use tags can be a game changer. Tags are an excellent way to categorize and quickly access your items and projects with ease. Now, let's dive right into how you can start using tags to optimize your workspace. First off, we need to add a tags column to your board. To do this, look over to the last column on your board where you'll find a small plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding various types of columns, but for today, our focus is on tags. Click on this plus icon and a menu will appear. From here, you'll want to search for tags. Once the option for tags appears, go ahead and select it. And just like that, you'll see a new column titled Tags added to your board. It's that simple. With the tags column in place, you can start adding tags to your items or rows. These tags act like labels that you can customize to suit the needs of your project, whether you're categorizing by status, type, project phase, or anything else that fits your workflow. As you assign tags, imagine being able to conveniently group related items together across your workspace, making it remarkably easy to manage multiple boards. Adding a tag is as easy as clicking into the tag field next to your item and typing the keyword or category you want to associate with that item. You can use existing tags or create new ones on the fly. Taking the time to establish a consistent tagging system can significantly enhance how you organize and retrieve information within Monday.com. Now, let's talk about searching with tags. In the top right-hand corner of your Monday.com interface, you'll see the search icon. Click on it and enter the tag you wish to locate. Once you've entered your desired tag, the system will scour your entire workspace for all boards containing that specific tag. This function is incredibly powerful because it enables us to find, categorize, and locate items so much more efficiently than sifting through each board manually. And that's all there is to it. Using tags is not only straightforward, but also extremely useful in pulling your workspace together, helping you maintain a bird's-eye view of your projects without undue hassle. By incorporating tagging into your daily routine, you can elevate the way you handle information, making sure nothing important slips through the cracks. Whether you're a seasoned Monday.com user or just starting out, integrating tags into your workflow can make your project management experience smoother and more intuitive. Stay organized and happy tagging. And